Good morning, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, students, scholars, colleagues, friends, research scholars, doctors, ministers, those who belong to the different fields, science, commerce, arts, business, for doing research. What is the requirement and how to start doing research? Selecting a topic and preparing a thesis statement according to experienced researchers. Selecting a topic is the most difficult thing in research. Selection of a suitable topic demands a thorough knowledge of the subject, which many scholars gain only through experience. The more one knows about a particular field of study, the easier it becomes to recognize the problems in the field. The first question examiners usually consider while making a thesis is, does it make a contribution to knowledge in this field? Phrased another way, this question becomes, was there a problem to be investigated and did the thesis attempt to solve this problem? Sources for problems for investigation. One of the easiest means to find out problem for research is to refer the matter to those who are familiar with the cutting edge or research. The research fellows and the professors guiding them are rich source for research problems. A study of scholarly journals and magazines will enable us to update our ideas about the problems that are being pursued at the scholars level in various forms of research. Publications such as dissertation abstracts provide us with summaries of doctoral dissertations submitted at leading universities. The summaries give us indications about topics useful for future research. Criteria for selecting a topic. The scholar has to ask a number of questions about the topic he has provisionally selected for research. Sorry for problem. Is there proper supervision available? The question may appear absurd when we do research in an institution where the latest facilities are available. Nevertheless, it is worth asking, as the number of efficient supervisors is steadily decreasing because of the increasing tendencies to specialize in specific areas. Does the topic really interest you? If the scholar is not interested in a topic selected, he or she may not, most probably, complete it. If the topic is not interesting to the researcher, research becomes a painful task. Can the topic be completed in time? The topic selected by the scholar must be feasible. The scholar should be aware of the limitations of time when he or she undertakes the task of studying a particular subject. Is the necessary equipment available? Sometimes expensive equipments may be necessary for research. Before undertaking such projects, it is advisable to verify the availability of equipments. Are subjects available? Cooperation of subjects is necessary for testing. Where such subjects are not available,